Welcome to J&J's test video of 9594. This is a 2004 LS430, 163K. Hit where you see it. A little walk around, run and drive. Somebody thought they were cute and put some Mercedes V8 located quarter panel badges. Cut the resonators out of it, put some wheels on it. What the kids do these days. It's actually not too bad. Low mileage for one of these nowadays. 163, 170, everything works. Sunroof, all that jazz. Oh, what do I got? Oh, I said that and then it didn't work. I thought, oh, it helps if I hit the right button. Oh no, look, nothing. That's funny. Alright, let's check everything. Windows work. See if the little mirrors work. Oh. I wonder if it's the switch. Let's check it. Go to the other side. Oh no, that one goes smooth up and down. That left mirror's no good. Right mirror's okay. Won't go up. No good. Just goes down. Maybe if I wiggle it and then just do it a little funny, it goes up and down. Alright, set it for a drive. It's idling high, but runs and drives just fine. All the menu buttons work. It has the auto park assist, or the, I don't know what you would call it, park assist. Alright, that's it. Low on gas. Oh, now it's idled down. Alright. Yep, there's a little sun visor works. Cup holder. These are some of the last nice cars, and then all the crap you get today. Frank Sinatra. See if that works.
I'm daffy as a daffodil. It's laughable the way I thrill and roll.
Alright, on that note, thank you for watching.